So in this mini tutorial, I want to share how to create a reel or any type of animation in Claude Design and how to export that naturally so you can use it on your socials. If you've seen my previous Claude Design tutorial, you would know that one thing that is missing from there is the ability to, after you've created animation, to actually export that so you can use it. This feature still doesn't exist in Claude Design, so it requires a workaround. You have to screen record and then cut it, and then it's just way too much work. In my opinion, I've experimented with this and I actually found a way to export this, which I'm going to share in this video. So if you're interested in creating such animations, either for your socials or for any other purposes, this video is for you. And we're gonna do it together. Okay, so first thing, we're gonna come to Claude Design, claude.ai/design. What I recommend that you start with is creating your design system. I have a video on that, so I'm gonna link it, but this is basically will ensure that the animations that you get are in the style that you like, in your brand colors, in your brand style. Without that, everything will look pretty generic, but it's pretty easy to set up. So you just come here, design systems, and then you create one, and Claude will walk you through the process, how to do that. So I'll link the video that I had on this just in case. We're gonna come in here, we say reel test 2 because I have already, and then I choose my design system here because I've already created one. We choose high fidelity, and then we say create, and we're going to give it a prompt. Basically what I've said to it is create a reel based on this transcript, and I'm going to upload the transcript. Should be simple, engaging, and valuable for my audience of AI solopreneurs. So the most basic prompt I tested it with and got great result in my opinion. So feel free to iterate your prompt, make it really relevant for you. So the next thing I'm going to do is I come to Descript, the software that I use for editing, and I just copy the transcript here, and then I'm gonna just paste it in the same chat window, and then I press send. So what's gonna happen now is Claude Design is gonna ask you a bunch of questions. We just need to answer those questions. What format should the reel take? I've chosen animated motion video because that's what I wanted to test. How much of the content should it cover? This is specific for my video because I cover 5 use cases in this video, so I would choose all 5. If trimming, which use case matter most, I say keep all 5. What's the energy you want? How prominent should your brand be? What's the call to action? And then we just go for it. So once you've given it a task, it will go ahead and capture your answers, and it will basically start building. So in the end, it built me these 3 versions. One was just very basic, walking through the use case, which still looks really good, apart from these numbers, because it's my custom font and it gets messed up often. Then we have a different type of aesthetics here. You can see like this. And it also uses all the colors that I have in my design system, right? So all the colors are predetermined by me. And then the third version, this is the one that I really liked. I like these visuals where when it walks through different use cases, it kind of scans, and you can see it really captured my transcript, and it really turned it into, yeah, just like a super visual walkthrough, but like in a real format. If you want to do some editing with this, right? So for example, there's something here that you want to change the text. You can just put edit and edit it right here, or you can edit it here, or like fine tune a little bit the size of it. If you want to change something, the look of something or anything, you can press mark up and then do the same. Give basically Claude commands like, I want you to change this. And then you press send and it will change it. So those are 2 main ways how you would edit it. And now I'm going to show you how to actually export that. So we need to go to a site called Claude to Video. It's a free page, literally solving this one problem, saying the missing exports for Claude Design animations. And what we need right now is a zip file. So once we've chosen which version we want to have, so for my case, it's this UI demo version, we need to make sure that we ask Claude to just package that part. Otherwise, it's going to be all 3 of those. So choose the one that you want and then literally tell Claude, I want to export only the UI demo version as zip. So that's the command you give it, and under design filed, it will create the separate file or separate HTML only for this one. And From here, so if we go to this one, now we can see it's just this single animation. We press share, export, project archive, and then we download it as zip. So now we go to Claude to video, drop the zip here, and here it's ask which one. So we choose this one, start render. For this use case, just me showing you that it's possible, let's choose this resolution, and then we render it for free. Now it's about to be done, and we will see this kind of error here. It doesn't matter at all. So we just download the file, and here it is. So let's see the video. It's downloaded exactly as it looked. We can see the watermark here. This is a really cool way to repurpose your content. So you already have your long-form blog posts, or newsletters, YouTube videos, transcripts. If you're planning to create more reels, I think it would be worth it to top up your account on Claude to Video. This is not affiliated by any way. I was really happy that I found this tool. But if you top up your account with a couple of dollars, each reel would cost you 0.02 cents. It will last you forever, and then you can actually get it in a good quality and without the watermark. I hope it was helpful. Let me know if you tried. I'll definitely gonna experiment more. I think it's a great way to repurpose for me because I have long form content and just really adds new formats I can experiment with for my social media. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.